Lakin hukuma tabande, they still doing the same thing. Woman begadi sajin yan wallet sagar there. Just look at him. Wallet the Simon D. Gadi kalam mugushi mutawas. Ajad al batal al gada malu fi Juba. That's what he's talking about. Yan Simon D is not talking about anything ordinary. Simon D is talking about something happened in Juba Ajad gada malu. Lakini shan denka. The bila denga God fi Teddy Samar but amuno. Teddy Samar but SPLA. And I said it too many times. That loite denkawi. And you dare to speak out against South Sudan government. SPLA boktulok tawali. SPLA boktulok le. Lana SPLA gadi samar denga. SPLA gadi samar denga. That's why it be chuk denga tawali. Min me today they call my SPLA. La. Don't talk like that because they're under Samar. SPLA control them from Bargadal to Afadang to anywhere. Ite denkawe, ite kalam sakit budu to hukuma dade, that ajere batalo dinu tawale. Shub Afadang de, what do they have? Afadang they have oil. Woman into Z. Z de, that's why Juba Lele is functioning. They said Afadang. Lakin Afadang has a akar gabila muskin fi family ta denga kulu. Afadang de your family muskin min family ta Afadang kulu. Zede gadi shilu, shilu fi Juba. Afadang mindu moya quest. Yal batam gadi waledu deform. Jena gadi waledu betalada kura. Arba yeden. Talada yun. Shaitan adil gade. Jena bada shaitan. Bagrujal ma gadi waled fi Afadang. Ito manu mara gade mara. Ito ma baamal mara. Le. Sim bada moya ta benzim. Shara sakit al bagum. من رنگ لملوك ما في شعر البقوم من ملوك لرنگ ما في شعر البجي من ملوك لملكال ما في forget about that شعر بقوم من ماغبال كلهم وابدang دي بيشوفين دي ngong لالي ياك دي still supporting that government ومن بقول that government that's ولا تاوله يقتلوا family بتاعه كله دي ngong لالي ياك بيجي برا بقول له حكومة دا Salva Kiir that Simon D family Kulu must be killed. But let's look at Ngong Laliak. Now they've been too long ago. But Kalam Zede, Woman Michel and Nuer Renyagat, Nuer must be killed. Ukuma Yedo Tawil, the Kalam Roman Fialanil. Gonna lay out to Manfadang, Ukuma de Maga decided. Ukuma de Ukuma attack. Itayo a Kardenga Muskin and Levy Junubusran, Itayo the resource. Shut up. Utain the Junubintane. Ukuma, government come and go. Ukuma got a garo, no matter what. Got a garo. Mafi Ukuma da Gabela, Mafi Ukuma da Mune, whether the Ukuma da King, the Ukuma da Gabela got a garo. You will only support the government for your interest. Like in when interest for Afadam. La. Akuma Barishin, Wakuma Bintam in Nuer. At a woman make a footage Michakal da Nuer make a thing. Ngong Adang. Kataluman da Kalabas. 84 people in Takulu. 84. Shakala da Junubsudan Kulu. Shakala da rebel. Ma Ukuma. Ma fi 84 more than white. Lakin Ngong Laliade 84 Kulu in Ta. Come ma wagin. Come beggar shallow. After him comes a lip rat beggar shallow. Bakalam de supporting wrong government. They make an enemy with their neighbors because of bad government. Government el maga sa roman. Salva Kiir ma jab do kulugul. Do saget malare malare all bata jerabas chala bandage. E jibu saget el bukudu da fi jera da mafi. Afadang they have to call the people fi America na the shagaru bi munazamat ashane saadu na del. They went on talking, supporting government. And I came here. I said to Mukuma, we talk here with the SPLA, original SPLA, built from the SPLA, but I will be better. Ukuma dare, the Maze Gumaj. Gumaj el Bukun was Khan or Buxelu. Now, Ukuma Lobiga was Khan, Gadigero. Ukuma Lobiga was Khan, Nano Ukuma Lobiga was Khan, Buktul with us. Gumaj Lobiga was Khan. Maybe you went to work. Oh, aja tani, meche kaja bu gumaj betak. Umale biga aswad, and you don't like it. So ite bichil gumaj betak de, ite bu kudu philandry. Hukuma bukun nadhif tani. No, hukuma ma zade. Hukuma bukun waskan ke. Lana hukuma buktul fi shab. Hukuma gadadet shab. So hukuma de gadi shilo bara. Ashana jibu hukuma jadid. Otherwise, it is all, they're warning me that it is all like I'm support hukuma de. Tomorrow you will cry. Tomorrow you will cry. Tomorrow you will be the victim of that government. Then gafa dang ma farm galam de. Mud bada dang Elizabeth said. Then Bill look. Min ruwen. When on supporting government. Again afanal people. Gadi sharbang nas. Dan galada malo. Galada malo le bull. Yalta bull woman machine. Bull belong to the government. They fully supported the government. Yalta bull maji bara gade misago arago. Salva Kiir magala ya ilana Salva Kiir gal lona shakal fi alanil. Aizo de shil sala. El tebiga taban tal fi Juba. De kalam Salva Kiir galo afadang ma famu. Afadang gadi shum gal monjang. Lama monjang. But they will find out in hard way. Just wait a minute. Afadang gadi shum gal Salva Kiir and man the monjang o akuma monjang da akuma da damanda monjang beji jara da. No, my brother. Ana go leo kamanu tuma afadang ay. Salva Kiir gadi shakal fi alanil mazula gala na der Malta oil. Malta oil. Later good want to capture Poloj. Ooh, god damn. Salva Kiir bamjile Museveni. Salva Kiir bamjile Jesus. Salva Kiir bamjile Muhammad. Salva Kiir bamjile Shaitan balga yesh. Bishagal ma. Bakalamo yalle. Lano yalle de yo group ta family bitaw. O yalle yo group ta family bitaw. Salva Kiir bari butamam. Rebo lagat fi Juba de na dukulu murd. Ba adunu Kiir murd. Adunu Kiir du fi Juba da de nyagat. Adunu Kiir de nyagat. Aje bekali adunu Kiir ko fi Juba lele ma bankir e wede wewbas. Wede wew. Lo wewde inta bukura. Adunu Kiir beshin Malta fada bitaw. Lo wewde ma fi bukura group ta yalle. Adunu Kiir ba maling laf. Ubashil abu bara. Adunu Kiir bukuni du jesh. Adunu Kiir denga bagi borao. Ubashil Salva Kiir bara. Lan Adunu Kiir is 10 times better than Salva Kiir. Lan Salva Kiir mad kalas. Salva Kiir mad. Salva Kiir belong to cemetery. Salva Kiir belong to nursing home. Salva Kiir there kuj fi nursing home. Loma nursing home imut basura kuj fi mugabir. Ashan jena bataw ije. Lakin asa Adunu Kiir there ije ubishu pass without the wasting of time. Wasting of time. So Adunu Kiir now but the low gurush not to rebel. But the low guru not to rebel. So what will happen low guru de? Low guru de shall rebel capture Poloj kalas. Tabandanga mamarat. Adunu Kiir mamarat. Paul Menyang mamarat. Mukwel with mamarat. Not cool guy with you when at Tonde. They will turn against Salva Kiir tomorrow. Salva Kiir is loved by South Sudan. No, not Salva Kiir is loved by them. It's money. Gurush. Gurush de shaitan. Guru Jomasik Junubin fi Juba mafia the question fi Juba Junubin all agree that Salva Kiir must go. Junubin kulu be pemlet Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir must go. But before you talk about Salva Kiir must go, Salva Kiir well. They do la kulu. Ma guru de Junubin they go piao. Ele Junubin shoes rebel Salva Kiir must go. Salva Kiir must say. Yes, Salva Kiir must say. Ye Nas garden for Juba, they oil with Apollo. Your master not for Juba. Guru. That's people are complaining. Why is not building? Salva Kiir is not building road. Salva Kiir is not building hospital. Salva Kiir is keeping this motherfucker cool. You know? Now the cool murder, Junubin cool murder. Nobody likes Salva Kiir. Ma resolve Junubin babe Salva Kiir. Ata I ended. Ma babe Salva Kiir. Lana I ended Michigaba for 21 years. Not for this. Modeshani Shuba Jazz. This is a mother. She's a mother. Model Katire. Abiz Garamalu Buluat, Rujal Gabanego. Rajil Braboduta Bejizir. Budun Makama. Ujunu Sudan Gal, according to South Sudan Constitution. When you've been detained, you must be reading your right. That you have a right to remain silent. Whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to attorney, lawyer. You have a right. Everybody have a right to attorney to the Sudan. And if you cannot afford to buy one, lawyer, then government will give you a public defender. Public defender. to defend your right. And you are a citizen of that country. Oh yeah? But that's not what happened in South Sudan. Mafi. Besijinu ita kida bas. Beshilu besijin. Galu zole katal zol. Budun tagik, budun chunu. Uman ba amala jata wamar kedede. Katabo jata kalamfar dede. Kala sejinu ita. Budun investigation. Budun chunu. Zole katalu zaro. Ma ba amala autopsy. Fi America ene. Ita muta. Katalu ita. Ma ba defenu ita. Beshilu ita fi mal bita autopsy for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Agasam. Digator shagal fik. Dole doroba talga kep. The talga bata kalanyin kop. The talga bata musedet. The talga bata shunu. They have to figure out. O talga de was registered to who? The talga de gande into registration. Fi there bata hukuma or the gun bata gang. Ganun. But kede hukuma erub zole kataluke. O ishielu zole defeno. Lakin fi Juba. Dol masajinu lo sajinu tawal bukudu masajin kede kudu jazir fukura bataw dukuta badik gahad kede bas te bogol fi mahakama ma fi mahakama. So people are so fed up by Mikila da Salva Kiir. Lakin Salva Kiir is giving people life. Salva Kiir is giving people money. The munal ma be gruide chala na nada gare kalam de lo nad meshi hukuma da o Salva Kiir wada 2 million de te bogol ya fuck pinchala batayu pinchala be jibakal batay Pinchala bejib yal but I no fuck Pinchala. That's why as I should got a core ma king wenu Pinchala mafia fi group Juba. Ma pizul got a kalam Pinchala fi Juba. Nobody's talking about I when you go to Juba yourself again for gold you bia Juba bia and they talcum fi Juba. Lanu when you come to Juba Salva Kiir will control you with money. Salva Kiir farm jinu del jahanin ma bukuri tani lana they went to school la bizin karfita malian fi bet uncle uncle filana bet malian uncle mukwenlet jamin burkulu abu nyalma eldu sunun kabir sunun sagar den ga burkulu ral bet uncle mukwenlet ila maye with uncle mukwenlet how much is that salary without to feed all this family members. Mavi, ila makwele inyaka majata nas israk. Ila makwele bamjile Salva Kiir gala bankira mida gwele chi bai ti anga pe ga ben buru ben gal murle torop nat. Ai murle ko chobe. Mun malian be do dai. Ila Salva Kiir go la za fi akil mala. Go la chin na ma fi akil la chin tew to bai ma fi kulu bai kada biabat chin ka to bai. Ila Salva Kiir go la aduna Kiir ai kare kuch fi kalam de show kare jib kalam chanta da be jibu the world the kite money ela ba gol ma ko ela what about the 100,000 for this month mo kana il mishila batak ma mishila ya Salva Kiir go lo guru taw yol jam floyd ana badik ziyada. This is how people live in Juba ya kwana jada ga kalam de it's not a job. That's how people live in Juba. I don't know, Gari Chagal Muzakin, Gari Chagal, Bakalam Pinchala, or Denka, or Munu, or Mununa. We just, you fighting for nothing. Okuma God for Juba, the more Okuma, Denga, more Okuma, Chulu, more Okuma, the mafia. The mafia, they're dealing, these are dealers. Top dealer, Benadi General Lolan, General Folnang, General Munu, the general of mafias. The general that gave that dollar. The general of mafia, they're working together. Salva Kiir bugs a woman, but you know, woman, but the Bokor, Bakalam, Pinchala now, Walayola music, Talada, Sana Arba, Sana, Pinchala, when Pinchala with a dinner. I've got a Kalam Kalam, Rich, you better got a Kalam Kalam Pinchala. Oh, Pinchala, they went my old Pinchala. Lo Pinchala from Malakal, big of I'm Shigaba. I'm Shigaba. I'm Jamal bed with Afagaba. You know, Sudan the father Kulu. I'm Shigaba da Bargadal. I'm Shigaba da Nazar.